Fine, let me go with problem number 10 here. So in the above figure, if angle AOC is equal to x, right, and angle COD is equal to 2x, right, this is 2x, and angle BOD is equal to how much? That is 3x, right. What is the angles we need to find out? You know the angle for a straight line, right? It is going to be 180 degree. Right, let us start working on it. See, they have given x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree, right? Now add it here. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 6, which is nothing but 30. If you divide, you are going to get 30. So that's what the angle AOC becomes what? That is 30 degree. This is going to be 2 into 30. This is going to be 2 into 30, that is 60 degree. This is going to be 3 into 30. This is going to be 90 degree. This is what the answer is.